Hello, this is Erin, and we are going over our shapes with CSS this week. And so looking at some different ideas and tutorials online, I really liked the speech bubble idea. So for my div class, I called it a blurb bubble. And so over in my CSS, I have it also called that. And I put in the margin of 30 pixels since it was kind of running in to the side and you couldn't see it very well. So we have the width and height, similar with a square or rectangle shape. So if I were to do that, then it just makes it bigger. And I chose the color of orange, position of relative, and the border radius is set to 10, and then so it works in other browsers. We have that also. And then to create the triangle piece, I have the option of putting content in, and I decided not to because I would need to do additional styling, which is fine, but I just like that there was potential there, and that could be used for the other shapes as well. So position of absolute, and then right 100%, the top 26 pixels, so that way it's sticking out there. And then this is creating the triangle shape. So for instance, if I were to change this drastically, let's make that 30, then, that's not going to look good at all. So the border top and border bottom is what is making my triangle look proportionate. And just to prove this portion, let's make that black. So there that is, but we're going to do it the same color, so that way it all is one shape together, and that is how you do a blurb bubble.